Look at these cows. We're about to eat an ice cream bar. The cow is looking at me. I will be eating a Klondike bar. I'm looking silly today. My Klondike bar is going to be so delicious, I bet. I hope you're having a great day, my friends. Maybe enjoying some ice cream. I'll show you which one I have. This is a Klondike Heath Bar. Milk chocolate English toffee bar. I hope the camera is on. Let me check. It's on. My husband wanted to eat some ice cream. We just went shopping. It's a really hot day today. It's June 1st, 2017. We took a trip out to the country and I made this flower wreath. This is what it looks like. Hey, stay up there, my wreath. It's a little bit melting. My wreath. I wanted to see the wildflowers. So we drove more in the country. Whoa, my wreath! Hope the camera's on. I'm a little bit silly today. But that is just my way. No better place to eat your ice cream, but right next to the cows. That's my husband. Can you tell?
Ice cream. Move over, that's mine.
Look at my wreath! And cars are driving by. I'm about to pee in my pants. I just hope the camera was on. Slobberine, that is my name. Thank you, cows. It was a good Klondike Heath bar. Now I have to get a pad to turn my camera off. I hope it was on. But if it wasn't on, you on camera? Hi guys, I love you. My pets. My husband can't find the pad. Oh. There we go. I love you guys. Bye. Till soon. Maybe you can eat an ice cream today, or you already did. Bye.